Now, quantization of charge. Charge is quantized. If an electron or proton has charge 1.602192 into 10 की power minus 19 coulomb. If we take atom in any part of the earth and take out electron proton, the amount will be same. It does not mean one electron has or proton has 1.8 into 10 की power 17 or another electron has plus minus 1.5 into 10 की power 21 minus 21 coulomb. It has been observed, if we take an electron or proton from any part of the earth, the amount of charge will be same. This not one electron has this, the other one is this. This is not possible. This will be cancelled. Now, this amount is fixed. Therefore, we say charge is quantized. Just like energy in red or violet color, red color or NC upon R violet color. Violet color wavelength is equal to 4000 Armstrong and red color is 7000 Armstrong. The energy of violet or red color is fixed. It will not change. If we take same amount of wavelength, the energy is same. Similarly, charge on electron or proton is fixed. It is believed if we take an atom or electron proton any part of the universe, the amount of charge will be same. One proton is equal to 1840 part of mass of electron. If we take a proton and make a part 1840, one part is equal to mass of electron. This 1839 part is neutral and one part is charge positive. Positive charge. These are neutral. And this is called positron. Amount of charge is same. Therefore, if we take any part of electron from any part of the earth, the amount of charge, if make it 1839 plus 1, the amount of charge will be same. That is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. One electron is equal to 1 upon 6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. That is equal to 1 coulomb is equal to 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. If we simplify this, we will get round 6.0 into 10 to the power 18. That is number of electron. Number of electron means if we sum of electrons 6 into 10 to the power 18, if we sum all the charges, that will be equal to 1 coulomb. Mass of electron is nearly equal to 200 times less than the proton. Q is equal to NE. N is equal to Q upon E. Q is equal to 1 coulomb and this is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 is equal to 6.0 into 10 to the power 18. Number of electron or proton Faraday's in his time could not prove the quantization of charge, that is amount of this, but later on in 1912 Millikan in his experiment, oil drop experiment, he proved that charge is quantized